Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about my December empties. I have filled this up, but I have a sneaky suspicion that most of the products that are in here are just really big ones. So I don't think it's going to be that long, but we will see. So I'm going to be starting out with the skincare empties. The first one is a cleanser, which is from Sioris. This is the Cleanse Me Softly Milk Cleanser. This one was gifted to me at the start of the year, and I will need to look up the company that actually gave it to me and put the link down below because they did give it to me. I really like this. It's definitely one that I would consider repurchasing. At the moment I'm using a Troyaruke, I can't say that one, Troyaruke cleanser, which is so nice, but also like $50 something, and I'm like, it's not that nice. So once I've finished the other cleansers that I still have in my drawers, this is one that I would consider buying again, specifically for the morning time cleanse. It's a milk cleanser. It's soft and gentle. It smells like I'm in a spa. It brings me great joy to use, and it cleanses my skin really nicely and softly. So if you have sensitive skin, or you're just looking for a skincare cleanser in the morning where like it just removes the sweat or dirt, you know, from your bed, I guess, then this is one I would so recommend. I really like it. So yeah. Next is another one that was gifted. This is the Hamish Mist Serum Bulgarian Rose Water. I love this. So anything that is like given to me, anything that is used up, obviously I have really enjoyed, but like I'm super passionate about this one little mist. It's so nice. Like the spray nozzle is so fine. The serum mist itself, lightly hydrating, smells beautifully like roses. Everything about that I really like. I like the brand Heimish as well for other things too. I got the mascara at the same time, and I still absolutely love that. That one needs to be replaced because I've had that for quite some time now. But yeah, I love this little mist serum. It's one that I think about getting again if I didn't have about 5 million other things to go through at the moment, because it is a mist and it's like also a serum sort of thing. It's not super necessary, but I do like it. For my actual serum, I finally finished the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. I used to really like this, and now I'm kind of like meh about it. This one was one that I bought myself, and I've had it a few times before as well, and I feel like the more I use it, the more I'm like, this is nothing special. I like other serums better. So I think that this one is good for lightly moisturizing, but not much else. Creams. I finished 2 creams. One of them is from, this one is definitely from Yes Style. I remember this one. And again, I really like this one and would consider purchasing it again. This is the Village Factory Derma Clear B5 Cica Cream. And there's probably like still a tiny little bit in here, but like I really struggled, there we go, with getting it out, and so I was like, this is way much more effort than I want to use to, you know, do stuff on the day-to-day. It's kind of like a light green gel-like consistency, super thin, super nice, just a really nice daytime cream. It's one that I would consider purchasing for the summertime again, which maybe is going to be like next year, because again I have so many things that I just need to finish rather than buying or being given more skincare items. Just want to get rid of some of the other ones. But again, I would seriously consider repurchasing that one as a daytime summer moisturizer. So lightweight, so nice under makeup, doesn't make my skin feel heavy, just everything is lovely. The next cream I would not repurchase. I bought this one myself. This is the I'm From Honey Glow Cream, and I bought this because I really like pretty much all of the other I'm From products that I have ever tried. This one I just felt like it was meh. Like it didn't really moisturize my skin that much, and it wasn't like that good for anything in particular. So it was like a medium moisturizer, not really light enough for the day, not really heavy enough for me for the evening. Why am I so overexposed? So I just felt like it was a bit, why am I using this and why do you cost so much money? It's not bad, again, it's not bad, but just didn't really like it. Daiso Puff and Sponge Detergent. Love this stuff for cleaning my brushes. You see this pretty much every empties. A few hand care things. Nail glue. Getting rid of some nail glue. Why? Because it dried up. Why does nail glue always dry up? Wouldn't recommend dried up too fast. What even was this? This is from Kiss. This is the Powerflex Precision Nail Glue. Yes. No, don't like that one. A cuticle oil that I did like is from Essie. So this is the a mini apricot oil, and I really like this one. This actually came as a mini in, I had an Essie advent calendar, I think maybe in 2018. I'm pretty sure it was 2018 because 2019 I had like a lint chocolate one, which was for the first week, and then I was like, oh man, there's too many lint balls now, way too much. So I've like over 2 years basically, I've used a whole mini of this one, and it's one that I would look at repurchasing again. I have another one that I'm using at the moment from the Body Shop, don't really like it, but we'll continue to use it. And then afterwards I think I'll probably go for another Essie one, unless you guys have any suggestions for nail oils, like cuticle oils. I love like hand care stuff, so yeah, maybe. This year also, as a side note, I have a few advent calendars that I thought would be nice to share like my thoughts on after December, as in I'm going to actually enjoy the advent calendar throughout December and then give like a review afterwards to be like, these are advent calendars I liked and these are advent calendars that I didn't like so much. So stay tuned in just January for a video that literally nobody asked for. Hair care, there is one shampoo because I go through shampoo very quick. This is the Matrix Total Results Color Obsessed Antioxidant Shampoo for color care. I do have bleached ends. Every time people look at my hair, they're like, no you don't. I'm like, yes I do. It's just behind me and you can't see it, or in a bun and you can't see it. So I got a color shampoo because it was pink for a bit. Didn't really do anything. The shampoo was fine. Wouldn't recommend it. Would like some recommendations for curly hair care stuff. So if you've got any of that and you're watching the video, let me know. Body empties that I'm so obsessed with. Lush American Cream, not the first time we've seen this one, still really like it. Lush Snow Fairy, again not the first time or the last time you'll see this one, still love it. Only got a small one this year though. Instead of getting the gigantic 500 gram ones, I'm like, you know what, I should branch out and try some of the other colors. The other fragrances maybe. So I'm trying out some of the other ones, like I've got not Yognog, but it's called Nana, like banana, in the shower at the moment, which is really cute. So lastly is the makeup items. So I've got a cushion that I finished up. This is the Hera, good question, Ultra Moisture cushion, I think, in shade 13. This one is really nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It wasn't really the greatest color of all time, but I use this one for swatches mostly. And yeah, it was nice, but I don't think it was worth the price. Still, even after finishing it, still not worth the price. I have 4 cushion puffs that are coming out because I literally hold on to cushion puffs for way too long. And so I'm like, just get rid of them. So there they are. Another one that you've seen a million times before is a Dolly Wink liquid liner. Love these. They just, yep, love them. A miniature that was in my travel bag that I need to get rid of because it is dry is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the waterproof mascara that I've had previously. I actually don't like this very much anymore. I used to like it and that's why I bought a mini size for travel, but honestly I find that it smudges worse than like other mascaras. So I'm like, well, I'm not going to buy that because it's overpriced for starters and it doesn't work for me, sorry. And then the last empty is a Play 101 pencil from Etude House. This one is in the shade 24, which is kind of like a burgundy red. And this one, I accidentally sharpened it, and it's not meant to be sharpened. So I ruined the packaging, but luckily enough, or not really luckily, the product inside was so dry that it would not work anyway. So I was like, well, it's just going to go in the bin then. So here's that one. I can't even remember the last time I used that pencil, to be honest. So it beats me if it was any good or not. Like maybe. I don't remember it being that great though. So yeah. So that is all my empties for December. I don't think I've done very many empties videos this year in comparison to normal. I am still trying to get through a bunch of stuff. But you know what? At least I'm not throwing out stuff that's full. So I got that going for me. So if there's anything that I don't like, it generally gets sold and I try to sell it off before it starts to get like worn down or anything, which is why I'm really selective. And I don't necessarily let things expire for the most part, apart from like eye products, because they expire really quickly. I don't think I've ever really thrown anything up because it's expired before. Like I usually use stuff up. So yeah, may not be as interesting for like creating content that way, but it's a hell of a lot more sustainable financially and environmentally. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!